Hello everyone, welcome to WinsidesCom. In this video, we will check out how to install Ubuntu using WSL 2. Before installing Ubuntu using WSL 2, we have to make sure Windows Subsystem for Linux and Virtual Machine Platform are enabled on our Windows 11. We have a detailed article explaining the steps to enable those features. You can find the link in the description. Assuming that you have enabled those features, let's start the video tutorial. Go to the Start menu and search for Windows PowerShell and make sure to run it as administrator. Now we are going to set the default version of Windows Subsystem for Linux as 2, that is WSL 2. This is the command to set the default version of WSL as WSL2. You can find this command in this video description and you can also find it in the article at winsides.com. The operation completed successfully. The default version is now set to WSL2. Now we will check out what are the Linux distributions available to install on Windows 11 using WSL. To do so, enter the following command in the PowerShell. This command will list all available Linux distributions from Ubuntu, Debian to OpenSUSE and Oracle Linux. Here in this video, we will install the latest Ubuntu 24.4 LTS version. This command will install Ubuntu 24.04 LTS on your Windows 11 ecosystem using WSL2. Ubuntu 24.04 LTS is now installing on your Windows 11 ecosystem. The installation will take some time to complete. Let me skip the installation process. Now we have to create our default Unix user account. Enter your username and you have to enter your password and you have to retype the password. This is the sudo user and hence please make sure that you remember the password all the time. Everything is set now. Ubuntu is good to go. Let us check the Ubuntu version using this Linux command. Okay, here we can see Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS is now active.